Okay, everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Um, I'm going to make a very quick video. For those asking how to add a folder in your FL Studio. So the first thing to do is to dive into your browser, to your browser location. So mine is always hidden. So to do that, you can come to the top left, then auto hide if you want it to always go back like I do mine. So mine is on auto hide. So now to add a folder, so you see this option under content, configure extra folders. So it takes you to this interface. All you have to do is to touch this folder icon. Okay, when you touch that, okay, I have a folder that I created for this tutorial. Okay, tutorial test. Okay, so just select the folder and it appears here. So as it shows here, that means it has automatically been detected by FL Studio. So now you have to go straight to, okay, you would look for it in this browser rack. So you can see that tutorial tests, you can see it here and you can also see it here. So that means it has already been detected. So no matter what's inside, it can be your MIDI sample, yeah, it can be an audio. So okay, like to check whether it's all good, now you can see, okay, I've clicked it. So you see that the loop it's working. So you can always drag and drop, then you can start your work. So thank you, and we will meet in our next video. Okay, so bye.